Exciting news from the BrassBot team. We're rolling out an awesome update that's set to streamline the way you connect with career opportunities. Introducing customizable user DM notifications, your career opportunities delivered directly. With this latest update, BrassBot becomes your personal job alert assistant. Imagine receiving personalized job notifications directly in your Discord DMs. That's right, tailored career opportunities that align with your interests and skills delivered instantly. What makes this feature stand out? Personalized job alerts. You no longer have to sift through endless job postings that don't match your career aspirations. BrassBot does the heavy lifting by notifying you about the opportunities that fit your unique profile. And the best part? You have complete control over the notifications you receive. Choose the specific job types you're interested in and let BrassBot handle the rest. It's a tailored notification experience designed to make your job search as efficient as possible. Thanks to our enhanced AI, these job alerts are not just personalized, they're instant. Stay one step ahead in your job search with real-time updates, ensuring you never miss out on an opportunity. Moreover, BrassBot keeps things fresh by pulling job postings from the last 12 hours. You'll always have the latest and most updated opportunities at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Start receiving customized job alerts directly in your Discord DMs. Your next career opportunity is just a notification away.